we are making today is kunafa, right?
Yes, you are right, but it is an easy one.
It's bread kunafa.
So first, we make the simple sugar syrup. 1 cup of sugar and in 1 cup of water. Mix it until you see it boiling and the sugar will be completely dissolved in the water. Switch off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice.
1 teaspoon vanilla.
You can also add orange blossom water and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Adding these will enhance the flavor of the syrup. Lemon juice is added so that the sugar syrup doesn't crystallize. Give it all a mix. Our sugar syrup is ready.
Now take 6 slices of bread.
Here there are 12 slices as we are making 2 kunafas. Now we can powder the bread into very fine bread crumbs, and this is our base for the kunafa.
Next, melt 1 cup of ghee.
Mix the breadcrumbs and ghee very thoroughly. Make sure each and every crumb is coated with the ghee so that you get golden crispy kunafa.
Next, we make the filling. Take 1 cup of mozzarella cheese.
Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and 1 tablespoon of rose water. This is to make the cheese all the more yummier. Give it a mix and our cheese filling is ready. Now let's prepare the pan for baking the kunafa. Grease the pan very well so that the kunafa comes out easily.
First, add a breadcrumb.
You can add enough breadcrumbs to cover the pan and make it into a thin layer. You can use the help of a glass to press down the breadcrumbs and pack it into a layer. Our base for the kunafa is ready. Now let's start with the filling. First, we need to add thick cream. I have used half a packet of the cream for 1 kunafa. You can fill in the kunafa as per your taste and preference. If you prefer more cream, you can add in more cream, or if you prefer more cheese, you can add in more cheese. Here I am using the combination of the cheese and the cream as I found this filling to be really yummy. You can add your own filling as per your own taste and choice. You can now cover up the filling with the rest of the breadcrumbs. This is our top layer. Make sure the filling doesn't reach near the edges as it might get burnt. Now press down the top layer but not too tight as the filling might come out. Our yummy filling is now safely sandwiched between the 2 layers. Finally, the baking time. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the kunafa for around 20 minutes. You will know your kunafa is ready when you see the beautiful brown crust. Flip it over onto a plate. Wow, look at the perfect crust we get with the bread kunafa. Now on to our final step of adding the sugary syrup. Kunafa will soak in all the sugary sweet syrup. You can keep aside a small portion of the syrup to use while serving. Make sure your kunafa is well covered in the syrup, each and every inch of it. You can cut into desired shapes and enjoy the sweet goodness. A perfect combination of gooey, cheesy, yummy, crispy, sweet goodness.